Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If you love a good old egg and cress sandwich, you'll love this recipe. I didn't know you could cook eggs in the pressure cooker, but now I won't do it any other way. They come out perfectly boiled, ready to make a lovely sandwich. So, ingredients. Simple here, I've just got 6 eggs. These are large size. I've then got 250 ml of water, some tin foil, I'll explain why in a minute. And then for my sandwich, I've got some sourdough for my eggs to go on with the mayonnaise and some lovely fresh cress. And then a nice bit of pepper and some paprika just to add a little bit of heat. So the method, now this is the important bit. Follow this method and you have a foolproof way of doing this. So take your basket out and add your 250 ml of water. Next thing, put your eggs into the basket. An important bit for me with the ninjafoodi Smartlid is to put this foil over. So pop that in, close it up, set it on high pressure for 5 minutes with a natural release. So make sure your valve's closed. And then what you want to do is when that natural release has started, only let that go on for 5 minutes and then manually release. And you will get these beautiful eggs. Put them into some iced water just to cool them down nice and quickly so they don't overcook. And then to make this lovely sandwich. So this is a nice seeded sourdough. These make perfect open sandwiches. Little bit of butter, cut off some fresh cress, and then really simply we're going to peel our eggs. Egg mayonnaise is so easy, isn't it? Have a look at this. This is what they look like. Perfect. Still like them a little warm when I make these. So peel your eggs, mash them up. I find a fork works best because it gets that nice diced effect. And then add your mayonnaise, nice crack of black pepper, and then tumble that onto your sourdough, sprinkle of that lovely paprika, little bit of that fresh cress on top, and there you have it. Perfect for lunch, perfect for eggs. If you do these eggs in the pressure cooker, you can also keep them in a container, still in their shells, for up to 7 days.